Celebrity case study Nat King Cole. Hi, welcome to Consciousness YouTube channel. This video is a continuing journey to explore the Vedic calendar system called Panchanga in practical ways to understand personality, career, and relationships. In this video, we examine the nature and personality of Nat King Cole, who is renowned for his smooth vocal style and his contributions to music as a celebrated jazz pianist and singer, known for classics such as Unforgettable and Mona Lisa. Nat King Cole is celebrated as one of the most influential figures in the history of jazz and pop music. His unique voice, combined with his ability to connect deeply with audiences, made him a beloved figure in the world of music. Ascendant Nakshatra, Kritika, Pada 3, Monday, Somavara. Tithi, Krishna Pratipada, Karana, Kalava. Vriddhi, personality analysis based on Panchanga details. General personality characteristics. Ascendant Nakshatra, Kritika, Pada 3. Nat King Cole's personality is shaped by the transformative and intense qualities of Kritika Nakshatra. Known for its sharp intellect, keen sense of discernment, and ability to overcome challenges through inner strength, individuals born under Kritika are often characterized by their fiery spirit and strong will. Cole may have exhibited traits such as a disciplined approach to his craft, a powerful presence, and a drive to achieve his goals despite obstacles. His life lesson involved using internal fuel, goals and targets, to ignite his inner fire, transforming his life by channeling productive energy into his art and inspiring others. The third pada of Kritika is associated with unusual family dynamics, a need for a nurturing environment, and a focus on leadership while concealing emotions. Vara, Monday, Somavara. Being born on a Monday, ruled by the moon, Chandra, Nat King Cole is likely to have been sensitive, nurturing, and intuitive. His emotional depth and ability to convey complex emotions through his music would have contributed to his success as a performer. The influence of Somavara enhanced his sensitivity and empathy, allowing him to connect deeply with his audience and to express a wide range of emotions through his songs. Tithi, Krishna Pratipada. Krishna Pratipada is associated with new beginnings, self-expression, and a focus on starting anew. Individuals born on this Tithi often have a creative and innovative approach to life, with a focus on exploring new possibilities and using their talents to create something meaningful. Cole's ability to innovate in the realm of music and his willingness to explore different genres reflect this Tithi's influence, as he sought to push the boundaries of his art and to connect with diverse audiences. Kalanava. Kalava Karana is characterized by flexibility, cooperation, and a focus on relationships. Individuals born under this Karana are often adaptable and resourceful, with a natural ability to build strong connections and to navigate social situations effectively. Cole's charm and his ability to engage with his audience and fellow musicians illustrate the cooperative and inclusive nature of Kalava Karana. Yoga. Vriddhi Yoga is associated with growth, prosperity, and expansion. Those born under this yoga often have a strong focus on achieving success and bringing their visions into reality. Cole's remarkable career, marked by continuous growth and success, reflects the qualities of Vriddhi Yoga as he used his talents and determination to create a lasting impact in the music industry. Strengths. 1. Emotional depth and sensitivity. Nat King Cole's ability to convey complex emotions through his music made him a beloved and influential figure, capable of connecting deeply with audiences. 2. Sharp intellect and discernment. The influence of Kritika Nakshatra enhanced his ability to perceive and to respond to the subtleties of his craft, making him a master of his art. 3. Creativity and innovation. Krishna Pratipada instilled a focus on innovation and self-expression, motivating him to explore new artistic possibilities and to expand his influence in the music world. 4. Adaptability and relationship building. Kalava Karana provided him with the ability to navigate social situations effectively, building strong connections with his audience and collaborators. 5. Focus on growth and success. Vriddhi Yoga gave him a strong drive to achieve success and to use his talents to create a lasting legacy in music. Drives. Desire for self-expression and transformation. Kritika's influence drives Nat King Cole to channel his internal energy into his music, using his experiences to inspire and connect with others. Commitment to emotional connection and nurturing. The influence of Somavara encourages him to use his sensitivity and empathy to build deep connections and to convey profound emotions through his art. Focus on new beginnings and innovation. Krishna Pradipad motivates him to explore new creative avenues and to use his talents to create something meaningful and impactful. Flexibility and cooperation. Kaulava Karana inspires him to engage with others and to build strong relationships, using his charm and adaptability to navigate the complexities of his career. Ambition for growth and prosperity. Vriddhi Yoga drives him to pursue success and to use his skills to achieve his goals, creating a lasting impact in his field. Life lesson and path. Nat King Cole's primary life lesson involved using internal fuel, goals and targets, to ignite his inner fire, transforming his life by channeling productive energy into his art and inspiring others. His path was characterized by a commitment to personal growth and a desire to use his talents to connect deeply with audiences and to create meaningful and impactful music. This journey reflected the importance of balancing personal ambition with emotional depth and sensitivity, using his experiences and insights to create art that resonates with people from all walks of life. His resilience and dedication have left an enduring legacy in music, showcasing the power of using personal strengths and determination to inspire and uplift others. Celebrity Case Study 4. Gregory Peck. Hi, welcome to Consciousness YouTube channel. This video is a continuing journey to explore the Vedic calendar system called Panchanga in practical ways to understand personality, career, and relationships. In this video, we examine the nature and personality of Gregory Peck, who is renowned for his iconic roles in classic films such as To Kill a Mockingbird and Roman Holiday, and for his portrayal of strong, principled characters. Gregory Peck was a celebrated actor known for his portrayal of noble and dignified characters in Hollywood classics. His role as Atticus Finch in To Kill a Mockingbird remains one of the most iconic performances in film history, showcasing his ability to bring depth and integrity to his characters. Ascendant Nakshatra, Kritika, Wednesday, Budavara. Tithi, Shukla Tritiya. Yoga. Preeti, personality analysis, based on Panchanga details. General personality characteristics. Ascendant Nakshatra, Kritika. Gregory Peck's personality is shaped by the transformative and assertive qualities of Kritika Nakshatra. Known for its focus on cutting through illusions and striving for truth, individuals born under Kritika are often characterized by their sharp intellect, strong opinions, and ability to bring clarity to complex situations. Gregory Peck may have exhibited traits such as a disciplined approach to his craft, a direct and honest demeanor, and a drive to challenge conventional thinking. His life lesson involved using his internal drive and goals to ignite his inner fire, transforming his life, and channeling his productive energy to inspire others. The different padas, quarters, of Kritika bring varied characteristics. Critical learning and training skills, first and second pada, an independent approach and perfectionism, second pada, experiences with foster parents or unusual family dynamics, third pada, and leadership with wavering fortunes and concealed emotions, fourth pada. Vara Wednesday, Budavara. Being born on a Wednesday ruled by Mercury Buddha, Gregory Peck is likely to have possessed a sharp intellect, strong communication skills, and a love for learning. His analytical and curious nature would have driven him to explore complex characters and themes in his work, bringing depth and nuance to his performances. The influence of Budavara supported his intellectual pursuits and his ability to articulate complex ideas through his roles. Tithi, Shukla Tritiya. Shukla Tritiya is associated with creativity, growth, and the exploration of new ideas. Individuals born on this Tithi often have a strong desire for self-expression and a focus on expanding their horizons. Gregory Peck's diverse filmography and his willingness to take on challenging roles reflect this Tithi's influence, as he sought to push the boundaries of his craft and to explore a wide range of characters and narratives. Karana, Gara. Gara Karana is characterized by stability, dependability, and a focus on practical achievements. Individuals born under this Karana are often reliable and grounded, with a strong ability to manage responsibilities and to create order in their lives. Gregory Peck's consistent dedication to his craft and his reputation as a reliable and professional actor illustrate the stability and practicality associated with this Karana. Yoga, Preeti. Preeti yoga is associated with love, affection, and harmonious relationships. Those born under this yoga often have a kind and compassionate nature, with a strong focus on building meaningful connections with others. Gregory Peck's reputation as a gentleman and his ability to connect with audiences on an emotional level are indicative of this yoga's influence, as he used his performances to convey empathy, kindness, and integrity. Strengths: intellectual depth and articulation. Gregory Peck's sharp intellect and communication skills enabled him to bring complex characters to life with depth and nuance, making him a compelling and persuasive presence on screen. 2. Creative expression and growth. The influence of Shukla Tritiya motivated him to explore new ideas and to take on diverse roles, enriching his filmography and his artistic legacy. 3. Dependability and professionalism. Gara Karana provided him with a practical mindset and a strong sense of responsibility, contributing to his reputation as a dedicated and reliable actor. 4. Compassion and emotional connection. Preeti yoga gave him a compassionate and affectionate nature, allowing him to build strong connections with his audience and to inspire empathy and understanding through his performances. 5. Transformative energy and focus. Kritika Nakshatra's influence fueled his drive for personal and professional transformation, helping him to use his internal goals and discipline to achieve success and to inspire others. Drives. Desire for truth and clarity. Kritika's influence drove Gregory Peck to pursue roles that challenged conventional thinking and that allowed him to explore complex moral and ethical themes. Commitment to intellectual growth and communication. The influence of Buddhavara encouraged him to engage in learning and intellectual pursuits, enriching his understanding of his roles and enhancing his performances. Focus on creativity and self-expression. Shukla Tritiya motivated him to explore diverse characters and narratives, using his creativity to push the boundaries of his craft and to connect with audiences in meaningful ways. Dependability and practicality. Gara Karana inspired him to approach his career with a sense of responsibility and stability, ensuring that his work was both impactful and well executed. Compassion and affection. Preeti yoga drove him to build meaningful connections with others, using his performances to convey empathy and to foster understanding and compassion. Life lesson and path. Gregory Peck's primary life lesson involved using his internal drive and goals to ignite his inner fire, transforming his life and channeling his productive energy to inspire others. His path was characterized by a commitment to personal growth and a desire to use his talents to make a positive impact. This journey reflected the importance of balancing strength and clarity with compassion and empathy, ultimately using his influence to challenge conventional thinking and to inspire audiences through his performances. His legacy as a gentleman and a transformative actor continues to resonate, showcasing the power of using personal drive and integrity to create meaningful change.